Hello, I'm Kai Gomez, founder of Swarms, and today I'm going to be talking about the Auto Agents Builder. Basically, this feature allows you to autonomously generate multiple agents with different configurations, names, prompts, descriptions, everything in just natural language. So what you're looking at here is the Swarms Cloud. It is the ultimate cloud and management platform for multi-agent systems. So anytime you need to manage or build or deploy multi-agent system, the Swarms Cloud is your go-to option. Here we can see this is our little dashboard. We have total agents. These are all the unique agents, the request per 24 hours, the number of completions of all time, and some other useful information. So to get started here, you're going to basically go to cloud.swarms.world/login real quick. And yeah, so then you'll be on the dashboard. And yeah, we have lots of features here. We have a workbench. You can see all the different types of agents that you've ever made or had completions with. Let's see, we have a chat feature. We have the auto agent feature. You can compare multiple agents. We have our workflow builder, which I'll do a video on shortly. You can check out on all the models that we support. We support over 1,600 models. All the swarm types. So these are all different multi-agent harnesses. We also show you all the SDKs that we have, Python, Go, TypeScript, and etc. And so now to get into the actual a reason why you're here, which is autonomously generating agents. So it's pretty simple. Basically, all you have to do is put in a task here. You can find this page very easily, again, by just going to the top of the navbar here, and you click in Auto Agent Builder, and here's the link. So here you go to the link, and now you can say, generate a team of ETF stock analysis agents. And yeah, you could choose a roster size here, up to 5 agents, so it'll dynamically choose, or you can say exactly 5. I'm going to go exactly with 5. And here I'm going to choose a model. I'm going to choose a GPT 4.1 for this demonstration. But you could choose any model that is inside our catalog here. So it's over 1,600 models. So you go here, put your roster size, your task, and your builder model. We also have some more advanced parameters here like name, run description, builder instructions, and yeah. So when I run this, we'll see the agents here, but pretty cool. We have a little panel here for code. So if you wanted to integrate this into your application, very easily, you could just copy this code example here. We have curl, Python, Go, TypeScript, Go, and just JSON. So yeah, you could very easily copy the requests you build out here and integrate it into your application. So I'm going to click Generate Agents, and we'll see the agents start to generate. So it's going to take a couple seconds here. But yeah, so this feature is pretty new. We released it just last week, and we've already been getting some great feedback on it. Yeah, so here you can see all the agents. Gives you the name, the description, the system prompt. It dynamically chooses which model to use. And here we have the macro analysis agents. We have 5 agents as specified. And we can download all these agents through CSV or JSON, or yeah, CSV and JSON. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You can choose up to, 50, maybe 60 agents. And yeah, then you can just download the CSV, and then you have all these agents already built out for you, and you can start implementing them into your application or into your workflows. Yeah, so yeah, it's an incredible feature. It just released. It's only available to Pro members. So Pro plan is $19.99. If you do want to sign up, you can go to the settings here in the cloud, and you could just click on Pro here, and then you'll click this button, and then you'll be on the Pro plan, and you'll be able to use the auto agents feature. Yeah, so it just came out. Go check it out and let us know what you think. Thank you.